Presenting the Playback Airdopes 171 Bluetooth truly wireless in-ear earbuds with mic, active black. The headphones comes in color options of active black and mysterious blue, cool gray and rose gold. It comes with true wireless earbuds, and TWS earbuds. It has dual tone finish and aesthetical edge. Longer duration with comfort and sweat, splash and dust scares. It comes with 3H with each charge and an additional 10H playtime with the included charging case. It also features powerful 6mm drivers for an enthralling playback experience, Bluetooth Playback Airdopes 171 and true wireless experience. Latest Bluetooth v5.0 and easy access multifunction button controls with stereo calling feature. Instant voice assistant and just a single press of the multifunction button. The delivery box contains Airdopes 171, additional earbuds and charging cable. User manual and warranty card. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.